Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make money using your home or even an extra room, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into how you can start earning money on Airbnb. And no, it's not just for owning a mansion. Whether you have an extra bedroom, a guest house, or even an entire property, you can turn it into a profitable venture. Let's get into it. Number 1, getting started. First things first, sign up for an Airbnb account. The process is pretty simple. You'll need to create a profile, provide some basic info, and verify your identity. This is crucial because Airbnb likes to ensure both hosts and guests are trustworthy. Once you're signed up, it's time to create your listing. You'll need to upload some photos of the space you're renting out. Describe its features, and decide on a price. Pro tip, make sure your photos are high quality. Good lighting and clear images can make a huge difference in attracting potential guests. Number 2, choosing your space. Now let's talk about what kind of space you can list. You don't need a huge house or a luxury apartment. Airbnb has options for shared rooms, private rooms, or even entire homes and apartments. If you have a spare room or an empty guest house, you're already halfway there. Keep in mind, your guests are looking for comfort and a nice experience. Add some simple touches, like fresh linens, a comfortable mattress, and thoughtful amenities like Wi-Fi, toiletries, or snacks. It's these little details that can get you rave reviews. Number 3, setting the right price. Pricing your space is key to making money. Start by checking out similar listings in your area to get a sense of what others are charging. Airbnb even provides a pricing tool that suggests a rate based on local demand, the size of your space, and the time of year. Keep in mind, you'll also need to factor in your costs, such as cleaning fees, utilities, and maintenance. Set your price competitively, but also ensure you're making enough to cover these expenses and make a profit. Number 4, setting house rules and managing your listing. Next, make sure to set some house rules and decide your availability. Do you want to rent your space out full-time or just during weekends or holidays? You also need to consider things like check-in, check-out times, whether you allow pets, smoking, or events. Once your listing is live, don't forget to be an active communicator. Respond to guest inquiries quickly, keep your calendar updated, and provide clear instructions for checking in. A quick response time is key to getting bookings. Number 5, earning money and boosting your listings. Now comes the fun part, earning money. Once you start getting bookings, it's important to keep your guests happy. Positive reviews can lead to more bookings in the future, so make sure to provide excellent service and be accommodating. To boost your listing, consider offering discounts for first-time guests, or create a special offer during peak seasons. You can also enable Instant Book, allowing guests to book your space without waiting for approval. This can increase your chances of being booked more often. And that's it. You're all set to start making money on Airbnb. Whether you're looking to rent out a room or an entire property, Airbnb offers a great way to earn extra cash, or even turn your space into a full-time income source. Just remember, it's all about creating a great experience for your guests, staying communicative, and managing your listing wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money and growing your business. Catch you in the next video.